In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Squarespace site for mobile. We'll start right inside your Squarespace editor, open the site you want to work on, then switch to the mobile view or use the preview toggle that simulates a phone screen. This narrows your workspace to the width most visitors will see on their devices and helps you focus only on what matters for small screens. Next, scan your page from top to bottom and note anything that looks off. Look for text that wraps awkwardly, images that crop in the wrong place, buttons that feel too small or too close together, and sections with big gaps or cramped spacing. Pay close attention to overlapping elements, long headlines that push content too far down, and any horizontal scrolling. The goal is a clean, readable flow with clear tap targets and a comfortable rhythm of spacing. Now begin refining the layout for mobile. Adjust spacing by reducing large paddings and margins so content doesn't feel stretched. If a section looks crowded, add a little breathing room so text and buttons don't collide. Resize images so the focal point stays visible on narrow screens, and choose an aspect ratio that fits the content. If blocks feel out of order, drag them into a simpler vertical stack. Keep the most important content higher on the page and avoid relying on spacer blocks that might create gaps on mobile. When in doubt, center align short text and buttons to keep the page tidy. If your site uses Fluid Engine or another responsive layout tool, open its settings and review how elements behave at mobile width. Check stacking order, minimum heights, alignment, and any mobile-specific toggles. Make sure columns don't try to stay side by side on small screens, and confirm that text sizes scale down to a comfortable reading size without becoming tiny. Preview the page at mobile width again to see your changes in context. Scroll naturally, like a visitor would, and look for a smooth visual rhythm. Consistent spacing, readable text, and buttons large enough to tap easily. If something still feels off, make small, targeted tweaks rather than big overhauls. Nudge spacing up or down, refine image crops, and keep your eye on balance and clarity. Repeat this quick loop of preview and fine-tuning until the layout feels polished and consistent from section to section. When everything looks right on mobile, save your work. Use the Save or Done and Save option in Squarespace so your changes are committed. That's it. Your site is now optimized for a clean, professional mobile experience.